Woks are something standardized in kitchen today, but has there ever been an alternative to the normal? And there is. And well, we're going to get into that today. These are the top 5 electric woks for a better and healthier alternative. Number 5. The Oster 2124087. The Oster, this very large summer number 2124087, has a size of 15 times 14.88 or 15 times 6.73 or 7 inches. It's a very crucial and effective non-stick coating, and that makes it relatively easy to clean. And for the temperature, it also has a Remover Temperature Pro for a better and more controlled temperature. So you're getting a non-stick, very large wok with this one. Number 4, we have LovenWave Mosaic Induction Wok. This entry has a size of 14 inches, and it is used for more than just stir frying. It can also be used to cook more types of food. Its precise temperature control makes it the most precise wok we can recommend, and preciseness is something that we need a lot in cooking. So, for those people that really like cooking as a hobby, I would recommend this one very much. Number 3, Von Chef 7.4 quarts. It has a cooking size of 14 inches and has an overall size of 14.8 times 14 times 8.7. It comes with four heat settings: warm at 176 Fahrenheit, low at 202, medium at 374, and high at 446. And for cleaning and offloading, it comes with cool touch handles, so you can grab the sides of the wok without getting burnt, making it relatively simple to use and clean. And this is something that is that we recommend very a lot for people which do not like cleaning, like we here do. And and spot number 2 in this list is the Previo BW 600 XL. This wok has a dishwasher safe bowl and lid, making it available for dishwasher cleaning and for better cooking. It has a cook and look glass lid for its 8 quarts capacity in a 14 inches diameter. This wok is extremely simple to wash, being able to be washable in a dishwasher and obviously in a normal dishwasher, not an electric one. And it is very good for cooking because you can see through the glass and see what's going on. And it has an 8 quarts capacity, meaning that 8 quarts capacity or 6 quarts capacity, meaning you can look at it directly into all that capacity. And number 1 is the Aroma Housewares. The Aroma Housewares wok has a rapid heat up with consistent heat retention and full range temperature control, and it is easy to handle and clean. With its 7 quarts capacity and durable non-stick coating, it makes it the perfect wok for anyone that is looking for an electric wok. And this is the wok we recommend the most to all of those fans of cooking and in every single side of the spectrum. So the list goes from the Oster 2124-0787 LovenWave Mosaic Induction Wok, Von Chef 7.4 Q2, Breville BEW 600 XL, and Aroma Housewares. Thanks for watching this video. It's as all of my videos, there will be an affiliate link in the video description that will take you to the product page of these products so you can buy and pick it out there. It's much easier. As always, thank you for watching and have a good day.